Hi, this is Svenja and today's video is about the third pattern in harmonic minor. So in this video I'm gonna show you the third pattern of harmonic minor, which you can use to improvise over the fourth chord of the scale. In A harmonic minor this would be D minor. If you followed this workshop up to now, you now probably ask yourself, the fourth chord of the scale, what about the third chord? Last time we looked at the second pattern of harmonic minor, which you can use to improvise over the second chord. But since the third step of the scale is only a semitone away from the second, the two patterns overlap. So you can use pattern 2 for the C augmented chord on the third step. But of course you have to bear the chord tones of C augmented in mind while doing so. But now I show you the third pattern of harmonic minor in a close-up. Start on the lower E string, on the D in the 10th fret. As soon as you're able to play this pattern correctly, you should also play it in thirds. Pay attention that you have to roll from the G over to the B string in the 9th and 10th fret. Use your index and middle finger for that. Let's switch to the close-up and I show you how to play this. Again, I want to show you some licks. Lick 1 is a connection between pattern 2 and 3. First I'll play it at a low speed and then fast. Lick 2 is a descending lick in groups of 4. This is really good for fast runs. Again, I play it at a low speed first and then fast. Of course, you should also create your own licks and use the pattern you've learned so far to improvise over a backing track or self-recorded chord progression. You can find the download link to the article and the tabs to this video in the video description below. I'd much appreciate it if you leave me a like, and if you don't want to miss any new video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. Now I'd like to thank you for watching, and until next time, keep grooving.